Okay, our next lesson is 111, and it's on ordered pairs and line segments and rays. So ordered pairs, you might also know of as like a coordinate. It's an XY pair. The reason they're called ordered pairs is because it has to be in order. X first, Y second. X tells you the left-right direction. You go that direction first. And then Y tells you how far up or down you go. So this basically gives you a location. In real life, we use longitude and latitude. So that's what an ordered pair is in the real world. Longitude, latitude, kind of helps you figure out where you're at. So before we start doing too much, let's practice and just kind of refresh our memories on how to find coordinates and place them on a coordinate grid. So here, this is called a coordinate plane right here. This is a coordinate plane. I'm going to graph these. If you want to stop the video and see if you can graph them yourself just to check, please go ahead. One thing to just please remember is that when you plot these points or these coordinates or ordered pairs, when you plot them, you need to do the first number left and right first. A lot of students confuse that. So for example, A is 7, 3. That means you need to go over 7 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go up 3. So make sure you keep it in order that way. Otherwise, you're going to get kind of messed up. So B is negative 4, 2, means go backwards 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 2. That's B. C is negative 6, negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's C. D is 5, 7. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's D. E is 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. F is 0, 5. These are the two where students get really messed up. These two are where students get real messed up. 0, negative 5 means 0. Don't move left or right. Don't go anywhere. Just drop 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then G says 7 first. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't go up or down. Do not move. You're right here. Okay, so these are your coordinates. That's how you plot those, just as a refresher. So there's a couple things, and where I might actually have you put this is on the front page. There's 3 symbols that we're going to learn about, and they mean 3 different things. So the first thing is we've got AB, like you just saw, and it has this on top. When it looks like this, it means line AB. That's one thing. If you have, we'll say BC, and it goes like this is called ray BC. It's a ray. It means it like goes one direction, like shooting a bow and arrow. When you shoot an arrow, it starts here and it goes that direction. It doesn't go both ways. It just goes forward. And then last is, let's say CD with a line like this. This is called segment CD. This is why your teachers got so weird about making sure you put arrows on the end of your line. Because if you don't, it's called a segment. They're 2 different things. So, looking at this one, if we need to graph AB, we first have to plot A and B. So A is 4, 0. B is negative 3, 2, C is 0, negative 2, and D is negative 5, negative 4. Well, if we have AB, we need to graph A first. So A is at 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Here's A. On your homework, I want you to do this. Put the letter right there too. And then B is negative 3, 2. So we go 1, 2, 3, up 2. Put the letter. That's what I want you to do on your homework. Now here's the important thing. Because this is line AB, we need to connect these with a line, but we can go through them because it goes forever. That's the purpose of a line. It goes forever. You have to put these arrows on your homework. That's what we are looking for. We're looking for A, for B, and this, because it tells us where the line exists and where it continues. So here we've got BC and DA. These are both examples of rays. So let's do BC first. B is -3, 2, -3, 2, and C is 0, -2. Now, this is where students get messed up. I kind of have realized this over the last couple of years. You see how the arrow is above the B? When you draw this, you're going to start at C. You do not go past it. You start at C. And you draw a line through, and you put the arrow on the B side. Arrow on the B side because the arrow is above the B. So if we do the next one, DA, D is -5, -4, and A is 4, 0. This one, we have the arrow above the A. So when we do this, we want to take D and start at D and just go through A, the arrow on the A side, because the arrow is above the A. And then the last one here, this is a segment. This is segment DC. So if we graph D, it's -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D. C is 0, -2. Segment, you see how there's no arrows? There should be no arrows on this either. You just connect the two. That's it. So this here is an example of a line. This is a segment, and this is a ray. Okay, line, segment, ray. Those are our 3 different types. On your homework, that's what you're going to be graphing, is 3 different types. So on worksheet 111, just be sure you're really, really careful about especially this. Make sure your arrow is in the right place. It goes with the letter that it is above. This is above the B, so it goes with the B. This is above the A, so it goes with the A. And then make sure you label with letters, okay?